Hello and welcome to LRC's news edition, Dateline, Tuesday, the 17th of June. Very outset, acknowledgements to Team Absar and Mani Sahib for helping us reach out to you. The first of the stories of the day is Justice Sharad Kumar of the Telangana High Court stalls the eviction of Krishan Prakash Javer in the process of the intention of dismantling and demolishing the Peddapalli District Hospital. The petitioner, Mr. Krishan Prakash, moved the High Court contending that he has a shopping complex built adjacent to the hospital and was under a build, operate and transfer agreement, a BOT, entered into in 2007 for a period of 25 years. He would complain that at the oral instructions of the MLA, the said action was being taken. He said that initially the intent was only to demolish the hospital, which had to be revamped because it was in a dilapidated condition. In contrast, he said that the shopping complex, of which there is an existing agreement for till 2033, need not and cannot be demolished, but the proceedings were being done at the instance of the local MP. Justice Madhavi Devi of the Telangana High Court refused to interdate elections to the Telangana Advocates Multi-Aided Cooperative Society. The Mutually Aided Cooperative Society of the Advocates, recognized and registered under the Act, came up for challenge on the ground that its amendments were rejected by the concerned registrar. The bylaws of the society were sought to be amended as a consequence of a general body meeting attended by over 367 of its members, which including the number of directors, bringing in 2 women directors and directors representing the scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. The judge took on file the writ petition but refused to stay the elections scheduled for July. Chief Justice Sujay Paul and Justice Renuka took on file today and suspended, or at least granted an interim order against the Civil Supplies Department in a matter that questions the power to inhibit retail outlet licensees from canvassing or participating in election campaigns. The panel was dealing with a writ petition filed by Vachepalli Lakshma Reddy. The petitioner questions the 17C of the Telangana State Public Distribution System Control Order, which imposes such a penalty. The panel looked into the show cause notice, also took into consideration that an explanation was given. Speaking for the bench, the acting Chief Justice Sujay Paul said, admittedly there was no allegation that the participation affected the supply of civil essential commodities, and therefore he said it was archaic and contrary to the liberties that are fundamental to our constitution. Justice J. Srinivas Rao of the Telangana High Court released on anticipatory bail a 50-year-old rice mill owner, Mr. Ramesh. Ramesh moved the High Court seeking anticipatory bail in a criminal case filed against him for misappropriation of government paddy under the custom milling rice scheme. According to the prosecution, rabi crop of about 993 metric tons, worth about 2.2 crores, was misappropriated. The defense of Mr. Ramesh was that the rice mill was subleased to the knowledge of the authorities, and a civil suit was already filed against those running the mill at present. He would therefore contend that there was no physical act by him or for misappropriation, much less was there an intent. The judge enlarged him on anticipatory bail or granted anticipatory bail on terms and conditions. Thank you. See you later.